Roper Hall is being renovated to prepare for the 2025-2026 academic year. In this brief video, we will share conceptual renderings, new design features, and other exciting changes planned for next year's Black Affinity Housing community. While the following presentation includes planned features and concepts, some small changes from what you see in this video may occur as a renovation is completed. We're kicking off our refresh early and starting in the space that matters most, your residence hall room. As a part of the upcoming renovation, we're upgrading your space with new flooring and desk chairs. Plus, we're maintaining sleek, loftable beds with adjustable heights to give you more flexibility in customizing your space and making your home an AU. Down the hall, one of the most exciting and transformative updates coming to Roper is the addition of an elevator. This long-awaited upgrade will significantly improve accessibility within the building, ensuring that all residents can navigate throughout their home with ease. Beyond enhancing mobility, the elevator will also make move-in and move-out more convenient for our residents. With this addition, Roper is stepping into the future, aligning with the modern standards of our other residence halls and further reinforcing its status as a welcoming, functional, and up-to-date living space. With this renovation, Roper Hall will receive a dedicated lobby space, bringing it in line with the welcoming and modern designs seen in McDowell and Leonard Hall. This transformation will immediately change the experience of walking into Roper, creating an open and inviting atmosphere that balances both warmth and the building's historic prestige. Roper's new entrance will set the tone for a vibrant residential experience while maintaining the safety and security standards of all our residence halls. As a part of Roper's transformation, we're creating an open and inviting space by seamlessly connecting the kitchen and the lounge area. By removing the wall between the two, we're designing a fluid environment where residents can easily transition from cooking to socializing to studying. The upgraded kitchen will feature stainless steel appliances, a sleek glass-top stove, and something unique to Roper, a full-size refrigerator for added convenience. The bar-style seating at the kitchen counter will provide a casual and modern spot for gathering over meals or late-night conversations. The new Residence Hall Lounge will offer a variety of comfortable gathering options, including new chairs and tabletops, couches, and built-in booth seating. This flexible space is designed for everything from in-hall programs and study sessions to casual hangouts over a meal. Whether you're hosting an event, catching up with friends, or just looking for a cozy place to unwind, Roper's new kitchen and lounge will be a dynamic and welcoming hub for all residents. As a part of a major upgrade to the residential experience in Roper Hall, the bathrooms will be completely redesigned to reflect the modern updates in Leonard and McDowell Hall. Each floor will now feature a single, spacious restroom with 4 individual-use pod-style bathrooms, each equipped with a toilet and a shower. Designed with privacy in mind, these pods will have floor-to-ceiling lockable doors, creating a more comfortable and inclusive environment. These upgrades will bring a contemporary feel to Roper Hall while ensuring accessibility, safety, and an enhanced residential experience for all. Next, we'll hear from the Community Director of Belonging and Basic Needs, Shylin Prentice, as she shares the importance of Roper Hall as a vibrant and supportive affinity space.
Imagine a space where culture, identity, and community come together, where you don't just live, but you truly belong. Welcome to Black Affinity Housing at American University. Hi, my name is Shylin Prentice. I serve as the Community Director of Belonging and Basic Needs Support. I oversee Black Affinity Housing at Roper Hall, a space designed to uplift, empower, and connect students in a meaningful way. Here, students from all walks of life come together to celebrate Black culture, building lasting friendships, and grow, both personally and academically. It's more than just a residence hall. It's a family, a support system, a place where your voice is heard, your experiences are valued, and your identity is embraced. We also know how to have a good time. Through engaging programming, cultural events, and mentorship from faculty, staff, and alumni, you'll find endless opportunities to lead, learn, and uplift one another. This is where the next generation of change makers rises. This summer, our home is being reimagined, not with just new walls and fresh spaces, but with the vision of a stronger, more vibrant Black Affinity House community. We're creating spaces that reflect the brilliance, resilience, and boundless potential of the students who walk the halls. More dynamic common areas for connection and collaboration. More inspiring environments for rest, reflection, and renewal. A home where every corner tells a story, where every space fosters belonging. When we open our doors again this fall, we won't be just welcoming back students. We'll be welcoming a renewed spirit, a greater sense of purpose, a community ready to make an even bigger impact. Join us. Be a part of something bigger. Let's build the future together.
Thank you so much for joining us on this look at Roper Hall's exciting renovations. Stay connected and follow along for live updates throughout the summer on Instagram at Home at AU and at AU Black Affinity Housing, or on Facebook at AUHRL. We can't wait for you to experience these upgrades and make Roper Hall your community and your home at AU for years to come.